Imagine owning a dirty car and not being able to wash it because of water scarcity or limited resources. With Rinseless Car Wash, you can keep your car sparkling clean, even without access to running water. Let's take a look at the products side by side. On the left, we have the traditional foam gun car wash. On the right, we have the Rinseless Car Wash. Notice the simplicity and convenience of the Rinseless solution. To get started with the traditional wash, you'll need a range of equipment. With the Rinseless Car Wash, all you need is a bucket, a wash mitt, and a drying towel. Let's compare the cleaning process. With the traditional wash, you begin by rinsing the car with the snow foam, then applying a solution, followed by another rinse and final drying. The Rinseless method condenses this entire process, allowing you to wash and dry on a panel-by-panel basis. And there you have it. Both cars are clean, but the Rinseless Car Wash has proven its effectiveness and efficiency. Say goodbye to wasteful water consumption and hello to the future of car washing. Try the Rinseless Car Wash today and experience the convenience of a waterless clean. Rinseless Car Wash. Clean, efficient, eco-friendly.